The Vatican City, a sovereign city-state enclaved within Rome, it stands as the spiritual and administrative heart of the Roman Catholic Church, a place of immense power, where the Pope resides and where decisions that shape the faith of over 1 billion Catholics are made, a place of deep faith, where pilgrims from around the world gather to seek solace, inspiration, and a connection to the divine, a place shrouded in mystery, with its shadowy corridors and ancient doors that seem to guard secrets from a bygone era. For centuries, whispers have echoed through its hallowed halls, tales of intrigue and hidden knowledge passed down through generations. Rumors of hidden chambers, lost artifacts, and secrets buried by time itself. These artifacts and documents hold the keys to understanding the past. These whispers hint at a history more profound, more complex than we ever imagined. A history that intertwines with the rise and fall of empires. The Vatican is a living museum, a testament to the ebb and flow of civilizations. Its museums house relics from ancient Egypt, Greece, and Rome. Behind its ornate facades and beneath its sacred grounds lie the remnants of empires and the echoes of lives lived millennia ago. Archaeological excavations continue to reveal new insights. It's a place where faith and history intertwine, where every fresco and ceremony tells a story of devotion and tradition. Each brick, each fresco, each inscription whispers a story waiting to be heard, stories of saints, martyrs, and the faithful who have walked these paths. Our journey takes us deep into the heart of the Vatican, through its labyrinthine corridors and underground passages that few have seen. We'll explore the labyrinthine corridors and forgotten chambers that hold the key to unlocking its mysteries. These hidden areas are rarely accessible to the public. Prepare yourself, for we are about to delve into the Vatican's hidden secrets, Unveiled. Join us as we uncover the layers of history and faith that make the Vatican a true treasure trove of secrets. Our first stop is the Vatican Secret Archives. It is a place of legend. It is home to a vast collection of documents. These documents span centuries. They hold the secrets of popes and kings. The archives are a treasure trove for historians. They offer glimpses into pivotal moments in human history. Deep within the Vatican's walls lies another hidden chamber, the Room of Tears. This room was once a secluded space. It was used by newly elected popes. They would retreat there for a moment of solitude. The weight of their new responsibilities would sink in. Recently, restorers made an astonishing discovery. A vibrant fresco was hidden beneath layers of plaster. This artwork offers a glimpse into the artistic heritage of the Vatican. It reminds us that even in the most unexpected places, beauty can be found. The Vatican is a sanctuary of art and architecture. It houses masterpieces by some of history's greatest artists. Michelangelo, the genius behind the Sistine Chapel ceiling, also left his mark on the Vatican in a more concealed way. Hidden above the Pauline Chapel, a secret room lay undisturbed for centuries. Inside, Michelangelo sketched preliminary designs for his frescoes. The Vatican Library is another treasure trove of artistic and intellectual wealth. It houses Leonardo da Vinci's Codex Atlanticus. This collection of drawings and writings provides insights into da Vinci's inventive mind. His observations on anatomy, engineering, and art are captivating. They remind us of his genius. The Vatican's commitment to preserving these works ensures that future generations can experience them. Section 4. Ancient Echoes, the Necropolis, Catacombs, and Mummies. This section delves into the hidden depths beneath the Vatican and the ancient city of Rome, exploring the burial practices and beliefs of early Christians and ancient Egyptians. Beneath the grandeur of St. Peter's Basilica lies a secret that takes us back to the origins of Christianity. This sacred site, known for its architectural splendor, holds within its depths a history that is both profound and mysterious. It is the Vatican Necropolis. This ancient burial ground hidden beneath the surface reveals layers of history that date back to the Roman era. This ancient burial ground dates back to Roman times. The tombs and artifacts found here provide a glimpse into the lives and customs of those who lived centuries ago. It is believed to be the resting place of St. Peter himself. The significance of this site cannot be overstated, as it connects us directly to one of the most important figures in Christian history. The necropolis offers a tangible link to the early Christians. The artifacts and symbols found here tell the story of a community that held steadfast to their faith despite facing immense challenges. It allows us to connect with their faith and resilience. The inscriptions and relics serve as a testament to their enduring spirit and unwavering belief. The Vatican's reach extends beyond its walls. Its influence and history are not confined to the visible structures but extend deep into the earth beneath. It encompasses a network of catacombs that snake beneath the city of Rome. These catacombs are a labyrinth of tunnels that served as burial grounds for early Christians. These underground tunnels served as burial grounds for early Christians. They were places of refuge and worship, hidden away from the prying eyes of persecutors. They offer a glimpse into their lives and their beliefs. The artifacts and inscriptions found within these catacombs provide invaluable insights into the daily lives and spiritual practices of early Christians. The catacombs are a testament to the enduring power of faith. Despite the threat of persecution, these early Christians found ways to practice their faith and honor their dead. They remind us that even in the face of persecution, hope can thrive. The light filtering through the catacombs symbolizes the hope and resilience that sustained these early believers. The Vatican museums house a collection of Egyptian artifacts, including mummies. These ancient relics offer a fascinating glimpse into the beliefs and practices of another ancient civilization. These mummies, preserved through ancient techniques, offer a fascinating glimpse into Egyptian beliefs about the afterlife. The meticulous process of mummification reflects the Egyptians' deep reverence for the dead and their beliefs in an afterlife. They remind us of the interconnectedness of human civilizations throughout history. The presence of these Egyptian artifacts in the Vatican museums highlights the cultural exchanges and influences that have shaped human history. The Vatican's collection allows us to explore the beliefs and practices of a culture far removed from our own. It serves as a bridge connecting us to the ancient world, offering insights into the diverse ways in which humanity has sought to understand life, death, and the divine. Section 5. Relics and Mysteries. The Shroud of Turin and Beyond. No exploration of the Vatican's mysteries would be complete without mentioning the Shroud of Turin. This ancient relic has fascinated scholars, theologians, and lay people alike for centuries. This linen cloth bears the faint image of a man, an image that has sparked endless debates and discussions. Many believe it to be the burial cloth of Jesus Christ, a tangible connection to the divine. While its authenticity remains a subject of debate, the shroud continues to captivate the world. Scientists have conducted numerous tests, yet the mystery endures. It is a powerful symbol of faith, drawing pilgrims from around the globe who seek a deeper spiritual connection. It is a reminder of the enduring power of belief, a testament to the human spirit's quest for meaning and understanding. The Vatican's hidden secrets, Unveiled, reveal a story of faith, history, and human endeavor. Each artifact, each relic, tells a story of its own. From ancient burial grounds to Renaissance masterpieces, the Vatican is a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit. Its walls have witnessed the ebb and flow of history. As we've journeyed through its hidden chambers and explored its long-held secrets, we've been reminded that history is not merely a collection of facts and figures. It is a narrative, rich with emotion and significance. It is a living, breathing tapestry, woven from the threads of countless lives and experiences. Each thread adds depth and color to the grand design. The Vatican's commitment to preserving its treasures ensures that future generations can continue to explore these mysteries. The work of conservators and historians is crucial in this endeavor. It is a reminder that the past is not lost to us. It is preserved, waiting to be rediscovered and reinterpreted. It is waiting to be discovered. The Vatican, with its rich history and profound mysteries, invites us to look deeper, to seek understanding, and to appreciate the intricate tapestry of human history.